we ask other people to remember us and their dua. Is this correct, or should we avoid this? This is different than tawakkul. Yani this is another issue, that asking the others the dua. I meet my friend, okay, Assalamu alaikum, how are you? Please make dua for me. I have an exam tomorrow, or I am sick, please make dua for me. This is not related with totally with tawakkul. But some people practice this in a wrong way. Okay, basically, is it allowed to ask the others to make dua for you? This is allowed. We will not say haram. Can I say to my mother, please make dua for me? Can I say to my wife or to my husband or to the sheikh of the masjid, can I say to my son or to my daughter, remember me in your sujood? This is allowed. This is allowed. But the point is practicing. How do people practice this way? Okay, many people do it in the wrong way. What do I mean? If they meet anyone, please remember me in your dua. Okay, this is not the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He did not ask people, Ya Allah, make dua for me everywhere. And also he did not tell the companions, if you meet anyone, tell him to make dua for you. Yes, there is hadith that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam told Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anh to ask one of the tabi'een from Yemen. His name is Uwais al-Qarani, from a tribe called Qarn or Qaran from Yemen. The Prophet ﷺ said, if you meet him, tell him to make dua for you. Why? Because كان بارا بأمه. He was very kind to his mother. So the Prophet ﷺ, or the scholars mentioned that this is a proof that it is allowed to ask others. But the Prophet ﷺ did not tell everyone, if you meet your friend, ask dua. Also, the scholars mentioned that when you ask dua, you ask the one who you think that he is a righteous person. For example, if I notice that my mother, mashallah, she is fasting every Monday, every Thursday, my mother is doing qiyam al-layl, my mother is giving charity, okay, so I can ask my mother, please make dua for me to find a good job, to find a good wife, to find a good husband, okay, to pass the exam, no problem. But if you meet anyone, for example, you are going to the exam room, and maybe you meet the cleaner, you meet the teacher, maybe the teacher is not Muslim, make dua for me. This is not sunnah, of course. And also this can affect your heart when you ask people. The point of asking, Shaykh Ahmed AlRumh, his opinion doesn't recommend that you ask people the dua. He doesn't recommend that. What is the way that when you meet anyone, make dua, make dua? You forget that you make dua for yourself. Focus on yourself to make dua for yourself. And you make dua also for the others.